translations here. This is the parent function, y equals e to the x, or f of x equals e to the x. And that's a basic function that's looking like this. Now when you put a negative sign in front of the x, it's going to be a reflection across the y-axis. So now it's going to reflect across the y-axis and it looks like this. When you put a negative sign out front, it's going to reflect it across the x-axis. It's going to be similar, it's going to be similar to this. So I'm taking what's in black and I'm going to reflect it. Generalization is across the x-axis. So as it goes to the far right, it's getting closer and closer to the x-axis of 0. And as y equals 0, it's approaching that, never touching it. As it goes off to the far left, it is headed down. But let's see it visually, just so you guys can get a view of that. To save time, I'm going to start with see what we have in red. Now watch when I take that in blue and I put a negative sign in front. The blue then flips, it reflects across the y-axis. And now I'm going to take the green, I'm going to stay with it, reflecting across the y-axis. I'm going to put a negative 2 in front. We're going to take out what was in red, so we're only looking at green now. We've done one translation. When I put the negative 2 in front, it reflects across the y-axis, and it is going to have a y-intercept at negative 2. So we are looking right now at this green function, and let's go back to our actual options. And so we know as it goes to the far right, it's approaching y equals 0. So as you go to the far right, it's approaching y equals 0. Correct answer is D.